say the main mantra is Atma Dipo Bhava. Be a light unto yourself. Nobody can teach you anything unless you learn it on your own. A good guru shows the way, but any disciple has to take the journey. So we have to gather knowledge. Knowledge never leaves anybody unattended. There can be unrequited love, but there cannot be unsatiated knowledge thirst. Any knowledge is awarded today or tomorrow. So I would say that be a light unto yourself, and we need our journey is towards that light. That's all my mantra.